In this work at ABECE, we all work together in a team, from the assembly floor to the design office, using all the combined experience and knowledge in achieving the best result.
In every project that we do, whether it is an upgrade or enhancement of an existing line, or we are building a completely new plant, it's always very important for us to understand your business, your preconditions and your market's demands.
What we see here in one of our assembly halls is a robotic packaging upgrade for one of our customers.
Today we are at the final stage of the commissioning before handing over the line in the hands of our customer.
Our team's main goal is exactly like our customers, that their factories run with the highest possible efficiency, that they have access to our high-quality spares, and that they get help from our experienced service engineers when needed. We are always here to help.